the Barefoot Professor. We at Strangers Than Truth have obtained classified top-secret documents revealing...
This station has interrupted its regular program at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency broadcast system serving the area. During this period, many radio stations will remain on the air, broadcasting news and official information for areas assigned to them. This station will remain on the air and will serve the area.
Studio, awaiting further information. The received this emergency announcement just moments ago. We have to verify, we did verify with a special message in code, and this is an emergency action directed by the Emergency Network and directed by the President. You've heard tell you that you are to tune to the emergency station in your area that is remaining on the air. The will remain on the air here in the area to broadcast any emergency information that is coming in. At this point, at the microphone, I know of nothing to cause this. We are waiting from in the newsroom to bring us some information from any of our wire services. We have been asked to broadcast this emergency information immediately. We will bring you other emergency information the moment we receive it. Now, this information is just in. This information is just in from the AP Wire, attention news directors and all bureaus, regarding the emergency broadcast message which was sent by the Air Force on this wire about 9:30 this morning, Eastern Standard Time, and I am quoting direct, being completely honest. It says AT&T advises the AP that the Air Force at Cheyenne Mountain in Colorado put the wrong message on tape. Put the wrong taped message. The normal tape explains the message is merely a test. This is the one that we always receive at this time on Saturday morning. It says you will be further advised when additional information is available. And so, if you think this hasn't been something here at the studio, the Air Force evidently then at Cheyenne Mountain in Colorado put the wrong message tape on the wire.
This concludes operations under the emergency broadcast system. All broadcast stations may now resume normal broadcast operations.
America. But that is another story. A story that is stranger than truth.